Shadim Shari. It is Thursday, August 8th. Could be a big move for today as far as the market because we have the jobless claim, continuing claim, the most important economic data of the week. So we'll see. But shortly, the next hour or so, Eli Lilly will report earning, and I do have exposure here. Where can it go? Right now, my position is slightly red, not a big deal. Uh, I bought most of them on this nasty down day. I bought some before, of course, up here, and some down here. Most down here. Well, I say maybe 60% of the position down here and 40% of the position up there. That's why it is slightly red. If it would be red right here at 765, which is not a big deal. But I will be ready at 658 no matter what the situation is. If it pops, if earning is good and it pop, 815 is a couple of level, but I will have to wait until, of course, 658 to see where I can put the order pre-market. But I'm looking to exit. Where would I exit fully? No. As of right now, I plan to exit at least a quarter to a half of the position between 815. It's all depend on the pops. Okay, all depends on the pop. If the pop is huge, by huge I mean, let's say, well, even to 815, it is a $50 pop. Okay, but if it's something insane like 846, where the 20 MA is, it's a completely sellout for me. If I was gonna keep anything, maybe 25% of my position. But if I see 848, even 845, I am selling 75% of it without even thinking. Okay, without even blinking, it will be gone. It will be gone, right? So keep that in mind. That's the plan. Now, if it dump, different story. If it dump, of course, it can go below my stop. It could be. Okay, I have a stop way down here at the 200 MA, but who knows? Um, if the gap down, who knows where it can go, right? So I'm not gonna hold my breath for the stop. Would I buy the dip? All depend on how the report look. If it's a good earning, coincide with good guidance, and it still drop, yeah, that I might wait. Don't buy right away. Give it a couple days, but can I see it down here at the 200? Yeah, it's possible. Okay, this stock has not seen the 200 all year. Okay, so it's getting close. It's getting closer and closer. But look, it has been above the 200 for a long time. Let's see when the last time, before we move on to the next one. Let's see, when is the last time frame. Let's go back 2 years. Yeah, the last time was way back here at the end of March of 2023. Yeah, so it has been a long time. Okay, long time. So of course the full retracement would be way down here at the last gap up. Okay, so who knows, it can get ugly in this crazy market. Things can get ugly real quick. Now, yesterday I got out of FTNT, so I'm glad. I bought it here. Okay, I bought it here, not a lot, small position, but I held on to it even with all the CrowdStrike nonsense and how ugly the sector was. I did not add. I did not want to add into earning. Okay, but I was comfortable holding the position until earning, and it popped. And once again, I can't stress enough that um, use TA. Set your sell order early and often? Is it random that it came up here and then reverse? Look back here. Go back 3 years, okay? Sure, there was one occasion when it went through it, and then that was one of the ugliest slide in this sector. Not as ugly as CrowdStrike, which I will look at next, but so yeah, it's very clear. Okay, it's very clear where the sell point is. Look at this triple wick here. Okay, so can I get greedy and wait for that? That's what I did. I actually had my trim order up here at 72.5. But once I saw this reversal, I'm just like, I take 70. Thank you. I was just like, okay, I take 70. All right. I was hoping for 72.5, but it did not get there and look like it's gonna give back a whole lot more. So let me get out at 70, and I'm fine with that. Right. Not gonna cry on missing out selling $1 higher. So for now, it's a no touch. Okay. It had it run. If you bought it for that 15 to 20% run, you got it. It's done. Next up, CrowdStrike. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so this one came down hard. Is it over? Is it done? Is it? I don't know. Okay, so first thing we do is take out this fifth extension because it's done. Whenever it reversed like that, you took out the extension because that's a non-issue, right? Move drawing. Let's do a fifth. Well, it does a full retracement. Okay, so I don't need to do that. See, it filled the gap here. It did a full retracement. It bounced. I would say it is, if you bought on a dip here, I would say the 20 MA. Okay, it's that's a lot. If you bought the dip anywhere, in the low 200, right? You get yourself between 60 to $70 of gain there. So take it. Okay, congratulations and take it. Uh, no, it's a no touch for me for now. Okay, but if you have it, don't let the 20 be a spot that you're too greedy to trim. Okay, get out. Last one, snow. If you bought channel low, you did okay. Now, if you bought channel low, which I did not, I did, after the whole CrowdStrike debacle and I had my Fortinet position, I said, okay, let's just keep one. Let's not overcomplicate and make things messy. It's not a sector that I want to overweight right now. But if you, other people, if you're following the channel and you bought channel low, for sure, look to trim up there. Okay, it's nothing to sneeze at. Between 127 and 130, take your 15-20% gain, right? That's nothing to sneeze at even after 3 days. So if it popped for whatever reason, take the gain, take the victory lap. But if it come down again to the below 110, okay, I might take a flyer, okay, since I'm done with this sector for now and have no exposure. When is earning coming up? Earning is likely to come up maybe within 2 weeks. Maybe do a put spread at 105, 100, something like that. But not on earning week. Okay, on earning weeks, I would say just don't put your neck out there. In this environment, I don't recommend buying into earning. When we have a growth stage, like a booming economy and a booming stock market, it's easier to buy into earning if the stock has not run up a lot, because they're likely to beat earning and then the stock will pop. But when you have an environment here where even on good earnings and good guidance, a stock can sell off, I don't want to stick my neck out there for that. Okay, it's even on this ugly decline, Um, it's more risk than I care to take. But would I buy a few share on a dip to 109 range? Yeah, it's worth a gamble, a small position. That's it for today. But I'm waiting for Eli Lilly earning and jobless claim. That's today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.